can watch below. But basically, the concept of the material box is they send you secondhand, sometimes new with tags, designer and contemporary clothing based on your budget and your preferences. And they just send you a box based on your profile, and you get it once a month, and you pay for what you keep. And one of the reasons I love it is I like getting the highest quality I could possibly get and not spending full price. I'm not a fan of paying full retail for anything. I know too much, and so it's like almost impossible for me to pay full price. So I'm going to unbox it right here in front of you. I'm opening it right now. Hopefully that wasn't super obnoxiously loud. All right, so it comes with a envelope that you can use to return your merchandise that you do not want. The other thing you can do with this is you can send them things that you have out of your own closet, and they will buy them from you. It also comes with a list of the brands that they accept, an invoice for how much your pieces are going to cost, and a return label. Okay, and like I said, I've done these videos a few times, so you can check out my other ones. I'll link to them below. So my first piece is a top, and let's open this without making your ears hurt. We can. Okay, the first piece is a Sandro Bloss. Sandro is a French line. It has a lace top and a black with little heart bottom. It's cute. I like the bow right here. I will try this on. Does it button up? Yes, it's a button up. So my first reaction is I'm busty, and so this ruffle is probably not going to be super flattering right here. But I'm going to try it on because you never know, okay? So I think the shirt's darling otherwise. I'm worried about adding volume to my busts. I don't really like looking bustier than I am. Next is a pair of pants, I think. How do I open them? This is a pair of white pants from Rag & Bone. Ooh, they're fun. They're like a little track pants, dress pant, cool hem detail. So these are definitely promising. I will absolutely try these on. I will show you guys what all this stuff looks like too. And next, the bottom. It's labeled on the tag. It's a bottom. Okay, oops, I ripped this bag open. This is new with tags. So sometimes, like I told you, you'll get something that's never even been worn. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! It's a mini skirt. It looks like it's gonna be tight, but it's kind of cute. It's kind of deco-y. I love Art Deco. I love like flapper and 20s style. So this is Oni to Tell. I've never tried this brand, so I will give it a shot. It's interesting for sure. So one of the cool things about doing this is even though what I do for a living, I've seen a lot and tried a lot, sometimes it even forces me to discover new brands and to try new things that I may not have ever tried on my own. So even as a stylist, it's good to push yourself outside of your comfort zone, be exposed to new things. I still learn things every single day. I've been in this industry for like 25 years now, and I still learn all of the time. So you should never stop learning, no matter what you do. I don't know what this is. It is, there we go. It's a shirt, and it is sparkly, and anyone that knows me knows how much I love my sparkles. It's a Rachel Zoe. Cute. It looks fun. It has the big dolman sleeve, so I will absolutely try it and let you know. Last but not least, it's a handbag. So sometimes you get shoes too. I think this might be the first bag I've ever got from them, but I usually keep something out of the box. They usually do a pretty good job for me, at least. So it comes in its dust bag. And it is Loafer Randall Clutch. It's like a watercolored clutch with a black chain. So I'll see how it feels. I don't always love chain straps because I don't want anything to dig into me, which is why, so I like the matte black. That's pretty cool. So that's my unboxing of my material box. If you have any questions, let me know below. Prices. You probably want to know prices, right? So the very first piece was the Rachel Zoe blouse. It's $86. The next is the Rag & Bone pants. Those are $97. The Sandro blouse is $78. The Untitled, I don't know how to say this, so don't want to slaughter it. But this skirt is $100 and the handbag is $90. If you buy all 5 items, they give you 20% off. So if I were to keep all 5 of these pieces, it would be $360, which is very good because these pieces full retail would probably be at least $1,000 for these 5. So they are always priced really well, and the quality is new or like new on everything that you will get. So I'm going to try everything on and I'll come back and show you what, you can tell me what you think, or I'll tell you what I think, or we can do both. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm trying my stuff on. This is that skirt. It is really flattering, or at least I think it is. I guess the camera will tell the truth, but it looks, in the mirror, it looks super flattering and really cute. Like, it was probably my least favorite thing in the box, but I really like it. So I have a new brand to stock online. Yay, how fun. And look at how fun that is. Whoops. All right, I'm gonna try on the next piece. Okay, this is the Rag & Bone pants. So I think they're, oops, oh my God, don't look at my messy room. Stop right now. I'm sorry, that's because I've been trying clothes on for you guys on camera and I just am throwing them aside. Not that I'm like perfectly neat anyway, but these are the Rag & Bone pants. They're darling. I think they are a little big. They're like, which I guess it's better than high-waisted for me. I don't like high-waisted, but I think they might be a tad too big, but they are really cute. I love the pins, or the stripe down the side, the tuxedo stripe. I like that they're white. It's different than anything else I have. I think they're probably supposed to be a little shorter, I'm guessing. So, oops. They're cute, but I think they're too big and I don't think I would wear them. They could be good like for Thanksgiving, right? So I could eat a nice full meal. All right, next. Okay, this is the Rachel Zoe shirt. It's super cute. It's a little short-waisted. So I guess I'd have to wear higher waisted pants with it. I like that it's so sparkly. Oh, that's not the right place. I like that it's sparkly. It has this like elastic cuff at the bottom. So that's pretty fun. I mean, it might be, I don't know. I'm on the fence with it. It is adorable. For sure, it is totally something I would totally love to wear. I'm not afraid of being like the boldest person dressed somewhere by any means. So I'm on the fence, but it is really cute. Okay, last but not least, I'm coming back with the last shirt. All right, so I have the last shirt on. It's the Sandro one. The ruffle is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, so I would say this would work for my body type actually. I thought it was gonna be a lot more like full and adding more volume, and it doesn't. Not crazy about this bow thing. It's funny, I sound like my clients because they're always like, what am I supposed to do with this? I am feeling the same way right now. I like the lace details. I can turn this around. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's the way to do it. Okay, so I like the lace detail. do you like my mom bra I have on? It's super supportive, but not sexy at all. So, yeah, I think it's cute. I like the way it feels. I think it's probably silk, but I think it's probably my least favorite thing. And that's not a terrible compliment or insult because I like it. But lastly, let's try this bag. I'm going to talk to you about the bag. So the bag is cute. My main issue with it, well, the print's not 100% me, but this chain, I don't love chains on bags, because if you put any weight in them, they like dig into your shoulder. The other issue is I'm 5'3" and a half, like 5'4", and this bag is way too long for my frame. I looked to see if there was a way to adjust it. I couldn't see a way, so maybe I misspoken, but it just seems like it's not adjustable and way too long for me. Plus, yeah, I think that's it. I think otherwise it's cute. So I would say the stylist did a really good job with this box overall. I would we'll definitely order from them again. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this little selfie stick thing. So let me know what you thought of all these pieces and how they looked on me, and if you would keep any of them, and what your favorite was, and what you thought of the whole process. Like, I love a deal, so that's one of the reasons I like this. It's kind of fun going into it blind, not knowing like what you're getting, because it forces you to go outside of your comfort zone. And even, like I said, even for me, that's a good thing. For you, it's absolutely a good thing. You should absolutely try and push yourself outside of your comfort zone. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for spending the last couple of minutes with me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.